Let's get started with video number 6 of this series. Before I jump into it, I just want to point something out. In our animations, because we wanted the character to not wobble, I had set this to skeleton, but this is only for this tutorial. It doesn't really apply to, let's say, the animations you will do. Just make sure they're on the spot and you don't have actual root motion, characters moving back and forth. I'll just show you the little problem we're gonna have with this. For example, when he dies, he'll be floating in the air. And when he does his sliding attack, let me just find jump attack. There, slide attack. He's gonna slide in the air, which is not really cool, but we're gonna go with what we have. So to continue on, let's go into the warrior blueprint. And I'm gonna move all this stuff up a little bit. So combo reset, I'm gonna move it up. We're gonna be making smash attacks. And to start, what we're gonna do is we'll go into the greatsword combo, and after hit number 4, we're gonna set combo and put that to 5. And I'm gonna go down and do the same thing here for sword and shield combo. I'm gonna set combo. I'm gonna set this one to 4. So you got 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here in our switching modes, right click was making us switch weapons, so I'm gonna take that off for now. And I'll put, let's say, R. Doesn't really matter, it could be whatever button you want, but I'm gonna put it to R. And then right click, what I'm gonna do is, I'll make a branch and a new variable. And I'm gonna call this one can't smash. By the way, I have this extra variable, you might not have it. That's because I performed tests before I record the videos, and I don't really need this one, so I'm just gonna delete it. You probably won't have it. So here in this branch, I'm gonna get can't smash and is attacking. I'm gonna type in and, connect these two together and plug it into the branch. Now what I need is a do once node. So holding O, I left click, I get the do once node. And something else I'm going to need is a custom event. I'm going to call this reset smash. And I'm going to plug that into reset. And going up in combo reset, at the end of set combo to 1, I'm going to call that custom event that I just made, called reset smash. So I got all this in my combo reset. Now I'm gonna go back down to the right mouse button here, what we were working on. I'll make one more branch, and I'll get greatsword mode. So if greatsword mode is false, we're gonna continue on with our sword and shield combos. So what I'm gonna need now is 3 branches, because our sword and shield can only do 3 hit combos. I'm going to connect the false wire to the inputs of the branches. Then I'm going to get combo, and I'll type in equal equal. I'm just going to copy paste this, one for each branch. And I'm going to connect the top pins to combo. Then here it was 2, 3, 4, like our combo here. 2, 3, 4, I'm going to input those in. Now that I have that, I'll connect false in. And what's going to happen is, if it is true, I'm going to go get this. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to take these 3 nodes, and I'll paste them right there. So if it is true, if I'm at this combo, then I'm going to continue on this line, this whole chain of events. I'm going to copy and paste it. And the last one, I'm going to connect true and false. Here, if you wanted to add another combo, you could. So you would just take the false wire and pass it down. But in this case, you just connect both of them. And then I'm going to pass all these wires into the play anim montage. Now what's missing is we're missing we're missing to do this for the greatsword, and then we're gonna go make some more anim montage. So I know my greatsword has 4 combos, so it's gonna take more nodes than this. I could copy paste this whole thing, except for this. I could leave it up here. I need this segment, copy and paste it, and connect the true wire for greatsword right here. I will move this up a little bit. So what I need for the greatsword is I need another branch with a little equal box and this whole series of events. So I paste those right there. I take the false wire and put it into the next branch and connect the top input here to combo. And I'm going to change this to 5. So now that we have that, I'm going to pass all these wires into this play anim montage box. This huge web of nodes. It's to initiate smash attacks, given the mode you're on. In my own game, I didn't really have it done this way. I discovered this method today, and it's actually way more efficient. It doesn't involve too much blueprint communication. There's very little communication between blueprints for this method. My other one involved a lot of it, because I was still a novice at making this sort of thing. However, we will need to communicate with the blueprint one time only. I'm going to go into the warrior animation blueprint. I'm going to access the animation tab. And in here, what I'm going to do is go to W_attack1. And I'm going to make a new animation notify. Call it E_smash. Sorry. What this is going to do, it's going to enable smash attack. Basically what it is, it's this variable getting turned on. And something I forgot to mention is if we go to combo reset, we need to take can smash and we need to set it to false. Set it to deactivated basically. So this E smash, I'm gonna need one for W attack 02, 03, and even for the greatsword ones. But we're gonna do for the short sword then the greatsword. So now I'm in W_attack 02. And I'm going to add that notify. The sooner I put it to the beginning, the closer I put it to the beginning, the earlier the player can access the smash attack. So the moment it hits this notify, bam, the player can already right click and perform a smash attack. But I don't want him to cut this animation off. I want him to do it kind of right when the hit's done landing. It could be the closer it is to the end, the harder it is going to be to access. So you want to have it. You can experiment with where you're going to put it, but I'm going to leave it here for now and see how it's going to go. And if I have to edit anything, I'll pause the video so you don't have to watch the silent segment of me editing this. So here on, I want him to be able to smash. And in attack 01, I'm going to let him perform a smash attack here because this is a really quick attack. Now what's going to happen is we're going to go into the graph and type in E smash, get that notify. I'm going to go back into warrior blueprint and I'm going to make a new custom event. I'm going to call it smash enable, and I'm going to take this can smash and I'm going to set it to true. So this little bit, I guess I can move it up here and I'll call it smash enabler. So I can access it here in the animation blueprint. So here I got smash enable. I'm going to hook it up with the animation notify and I'll comment this smash enabler so I know it's the same things. Now what I need is the animation montage. So I go into the animations folder for the warrior and I type slash. I have these two files here, sword and shield slash and sword and shield slash 2. I'll make an anim montage out of both of these. So create anim montage W_smash01, type in slash again and take W_smash create, sorry, anime montage using shield and sword _/_2, and I'm gonna call W underscore smash 02. Then I'm just gonna move up a little. Sorry if I was confusing anyone. I talked too much in this. So if I go to sword and shield attack, right click, create animation montage, and I'm gonna say W underscore smash 03. So just to check what these are, that's your first smash, second smash, your third smash. Now here at the default slot, we're going to change this to body so it can be played on our character. And at the end of each of these, we're going to add a reset. While we're in this, we can also go ahead and add the launch. Notice this guy jumps in the air, we're actually going to launch him in the air. So here, we can add notify launch. And a little launch here too. Actually, we're just going to leave one launch. And this is where his impact point is. This is where he lands, so we're going to add a camera shake here. I'm going to go into W underscore smash 2 and add a launch node here, a launch notify here, and impact point. I'm going to add a cam shake. Do the same thing here for smash 01. Set a launch, right, I guess his foot lifts up. So right here, launch, and boom, a cam shake. So when I have all that set up, I'm going to go back into the warrior blueprint. And this is our smash attack system. I'm going to zoom into the bottom half. And I'm going to replace this with the new smash animation montage I made. Let's give this a try and see what happens. There, I accessed the smash attack for him. That's the second smash. The third smash. So what's missing is we gotta shoot him up in the air. And he doesn't seem to be sliding while I perform these attacks, so that's good. Can he switch weapons? Yeah, he switches weapons. He's switching while I'm attacking, so we're gonna fix that. And we're gonna launch him up in the air. And we're gonna add a small zoom in. And we'll move on to the greatsword attacks too. So in the next segment, I'm going to cover those. If I don't get to cover those, we'll cover it in the next video. But ultimately, let's launch the character up in the air and let's do his greatsword smash attacks. Now we're going to start to cover how we're going to launch the character up in the air. So first thing, here, I'm in my smash attack nodes, and I'm gonna go into the first smash. Here it's set to 750. I'll leave it to that. The next one I'll put it to 1500, and the one after that to 2000. Then for camera shake, from 0.7 I'll put it to 1, not 0.1, sorry, or 1.1. So 1.1. This one I'll put it to 1.3. And this one I'll put it to 1.4. These we can edit, or you just go with what you feel works best. Then the next thing we're going to do is here. This is in launch character. I'm going to go into his up vector and promote this to a variable. And I'll call it jump force. So we know that this is what's shooting the character up. If you compile, I'm just going to save. Default is set to 1, so you kind of need that. And we can add that in the combo reset. Since we're running out of room going horizontally, I'm gonna move this up and we can keep going. I'm gonna set jump force here and I'll put that to 1. So going back into the sword and shield smashes in here. Here I need to set jump force. Now, I'm not exactly sure what's a good number for this, but we're gonna input some things and wing it from there. I'll put 300 and 500. So let's see what that gives. Nice. So that means he's going pretty well. The last one might be a bit too exaggerated. Yeah, shut me across the map. But that's his launch force that's shooting him so far away. But in terms of height, height's fine. So the launch forces, we could change those up and we can intensify the camera shake. Maybe put that to 2 and put this one to 1.75, maybe even 2.5. And launch force, I'll put this to 1200 and the other one to 900, and let's see what that gives. Because you don't want to shoot him too far away. It's not going to make any sense for the combat. Okay, not bad. Okay, that's a bit too much, but anyway, set that to 950. So this is pretty much how we're gonna launch the character in the air, by adding a jump force. Now the next segment, I'm gonna start with the greatsword attacks, the smash attacks. So let's carry on with the greatsword smash attacks. And after that, we're gonna do a bit of troubleshooting, so you can't switch right away. It's just optional, so if you want to put that in your game, you can. If not, you don't have to put it. So going into the greatsword, let's start by making his animation montage. So in greatsword, let's see what animation clips we have available. This is one I know we're not gonna put. I know we're gonna use this greatsword high spin attack. We're gonna use that one. We're also gonna use greatsword jump attack. We're not gonna use this greatsword slide attack. He's sliding on the floor. And if you took in the new set of animation assets that I provided in the last video in the link, well, you're gonna have the standing melee attack. So I got standing melee attack high 360. Boom. We could probably use that one. And we could use low 360. So we have this whole collection to go through and pick whatever we want. So let's start off with the high spin attack. Let's go get, let me type in high spin, or just high. And I'm gonna create an animation montage. W_GS. Oh, actually G smash, that's fine. G smash 01. Let me get another greatsword jump attack. So I'm gonna make an anim montage W_G smash 02. By the way, the numbering doesn't really matter because you can place them wherever you want in the combo system, and if it looks good, it looks good. If it doesn't, well, you change it up. What else is there? Let's see. Oh yeah, standing melee. Okay. We have standing melee attack. Yeah, we're gonna use that one. So we'll make standing melee 360 high. Create anim montage W_G smash 03. And now we need a G smash 04. Oh right, something I forgot to do in the previous segment. It's take the Smash 01 all the way to Smash 03 and put them in anim montage just to keep it organized. Okay, we need one more smash attack for our greatsword. And let's see what's this. This one doesn't seem too powerful, so we're gonna use that. Standing melee attack downward. Standing melee attack downward. That's the one. So create anim montage W underscore G smash 04. And now I'm gonna move these into the anim montage. So let's see. Okay, they're right here. I'm gonna open it up, set it all to body first thing. Then I need to add resets at the end of them. So once I have the reset, while we're still here, we can add launch and we can add camera shake. So let's see when this character is gonna launch. Right at the start, there's a launch. Launch right here too. Maybe a launch right here, I don't know, I'll see. But I'm not gonna fix this stuff yet. We're just gonna put these in quickly and you can modify it on your own time. So there's a launch. That's a nice launch right there. And a camera shake. Put a launch here. And the camera shake. This one doesn't even need a launch, just needs a camera shake. Okay, let's go back to Warrior Blueprint. Now here in the combo node segment, I'm gonna zoom in and type GS, G smash, and start plugging them in. I remember 4 was kind of weak looking. That. So I'm just gonna put it up here first. Then this one covers a lot of area. This one he moves a lot. Okay. So I guess now it doesn't really matter which one I take, so I could just type in G smash. And start placing it. Place 2 here, 3, and G smash 1. And the launch force and the camera shake can be adjusted. Let's just try this out. So I'm going to switch weapons. Oh, right. Forgot one little element. Let's go back into his animation montage. We need to add E-Smash. Oh, not in here, sorry. We need to add it in attack GS for greatsword. Attack GS underscore 01. His greatsword attacks. That's the first one. I'll add the next one here. And I guess that I'm just gonna kind of place them where I feel like they work best. And afterwards, when the tutorial is done, I'm gonna modify this stuff so it makes a little more sense. So the E-Smash are placed at the appropriate areas, but you can play with that on your own. So let's see what this gives. Switch weapons. Okay, smash 1 worked. Smash 2. Smash 3. Smash 4. Wow. Sweet, so we got the great sword smashes. They're all plugged in and they're all working. Something else I might experiment with is I may expand on the combo system, so that means you can do one hit, one smash, and then another smash right after it. Alright, so this pretty much sums up the smash attack implementation in the game. And I know I mentioned earlier that I would find a small fix to delay the weapon switching right after a smash attack, but I don't think I'm going to cover that, because the flow of the game seems to be going pretty well. But if someone really needs it, then I'll go through the trouble of making a video about it. But just for moving on, I'm going to leave that out. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.